No breaks allowed during this holiday because you need to stay in the loop and you need to know what's happening. And today we got checkers, we got claiming, we got many important, also the Linea AIRDROP, which on that regards, we jump straight onto the laptop and we go and see at the beginning. So first of all, there is this Linea NFT that you gotta go and claim and mint. Is only $2 or $3. And it is basically the recap of the year. We know Linea is launching in Q1 2025. So let me know also your allocation down below. You will find the link in the description. I got 2,365 LXP token, and also with the ecosystem point by providing liquidity on Stargate, which we've seen many times. I did provide it. I got close to 2 million points in total. So LXPL, approximately 2 million points. You go and check out your NFT. You have all of your stats. Let me know your LXP point and your LXPL points down below. And then we go and mint this one over here. So simply through the link down below, you will also get a 10% discount if you want to go and grab it. And here we have it. So simply click, it is $3.03. You go and grab it. It is a random NFT. This basically says that you are a participant within the Linea ecosystem, and it is very important. We successfully minted. Link down below. We have seen the Optimism one as well for the Optimism airdrop round 6, which will come in Q1 2025. If you want to go and grab that, I'll also leave you the link down below. So the first link will be the Linea, the second one will be the Optimism. But I go and grab myself the Linea, and it is super, super important. A lot of people are minting it. You can go and check it out for yourself. We got the rewind, the NFTs that I got. And as we see here, I do have this one and I do have the Optimism one. So make sure to go and grab yours. Super important. Following up, we have the GLS Airdrop coming soon. Now, this is one of those airdrops that we have participated, and it was a testnet. So we had to do some simple Galaxy Quest. We had to do some operation within the ecosystem. We had also, there was the possibility to run some nodes if you were interested. And now we got the airdrop checker. So all you gotta do is simply go and insert your airdrop down below. So this is the wallet of mine. You simply go and click on check. And as you see here, I am eligible for this airdrop. The claiming will be live, and I will leave you this link down below. The claiming will be live approximately when this video goes live. If not, there's gonna be like 30 minutes left. So I'll also take to you either tonight or tomorrow a second video on it. But make sure, let me know if you're eligible down in the comments below. If you follow my steps, you know, Galaxy Quest, nodes, ecosystem infrastructure and all of that, then yes, you are going to be eligible. And here is my eligibility. Following up, we have the Xeno airdrop. Now this one is for everybody that is farming the block mesh airdrop over here. It is a possibility for the airdrop, and as you see here, I am not eligible. I tried with my Solana wallet, and as you see here, I'm not eligible within the Solana wallet. But let me know, there's also the backpack, there's the, you can check other wallet. As we see over here, we got the Phantom, the Ponten, the OKX, and the backpack. You can check them all. For example, we can go and check also with the Ponten and see if this one is eligible. But I do believe that I will not be eligible also with this one. But we can go and check, and yes, not eligible. So let me know your eligibility down in the comments below. Following up, we have the Caldera NFT number 4. It's now live, and it is super, super simple. All you gotta do, I will leave you the link down below. Simply go to the mission page over here, which you do have all of the goodies. Click on connect wallet and select which wallet you want. I will go and connect my MetaMask wallet because we have done first, second, the third one I missed because it was yesterday on Christmas Day. The fourth one is right now. So we can start the quest. As you see here, to verify the eligibility, you have done at least 3 transactions on Ethereum, which I do not use Ethereum, so I'm also surprised I was. We can bridge via Relay. We can bridge Ethereum from any chain to the Rari chain via Relay. Now, Relay, it's one of those protocols. Simply go over here, visit Relay. It's one of those bridging protocol that is tokenless, has no kind of like influencer or affiliate program, for so to say. So this literally, it is super, super nice. And for here, for example, we can go and bridge any tokens that we want to or from. And we do have to bridge Ethereum from any chain to Rari using the Relay network. So we can go and do this step quite easily. We can go, for example, and grab a few tokens that I do have left over on the, let's say over on the mode ecosystem. We can go and send those to Rari. As it is here, it is approximately $10. The transaction fees are super cheap. Simply click over on trade. Relay is extremely, 9 cents to send a transaction, extremely cheap in my opinion. And we go and do this protocol. This will give us exposure to the possible Relay airdrop as well coming in the future with new interaction. And yes, I do have, twice or 3 times a month I do my transactions on Relay because I do also wanna have the possibility for it. And then from Rari, we can go and reach it out whenever we want. But here we go back, we check the allocation, we get it, then we can follow them, click on verify. Shouldn't be a problem for all of them. You can verify also the Rari one. Click over here, go and follow them. If you're not following them already, I thought I was. We follow them, we go back, we click on verify, and now we join the Caldera. Done. Join them. Done as well on Telegram. Super easy to go and do this. DeFi Days by Rari, in 8 weeks long event showcasing a wide range of decentralized finance. You can start, go and check out the Rari chain and of them. But of course, from Rari, you can also take them away. And for example, I will go and put them over to my base wallet. Why not? Let me go and check if I have the possibility. Here is the base wallet from Rari to base. As we see here, very cheap. We get transaction, we get interaction with Rari, we get interaction with the new chain as well, which, by the way, super cheap. As you see here, it is a 7-cent transaction. So I will keep on using Rari as well for the future. We'll do integration with Rari. You can use the relay protocol. You can use any other to go and interact with them as well. Then simply go back over here, go back to the super chain, verify, and you are done and sorted. Now you can mint one NFT and simply claim the reward, which is super easy. Gives you the possibility to complete this one. I do believe we've done first and the second and the fourth day. Now the third day, as I said, we did miss it because it was Christmas, and as you know, here we got it. So done, perfect, and so link will be down below. Also going to utilize a little bit of relay protocol. As you see, I do a lot of transactions. Following that, we have the Taverna airdrop claim page is now live, and the portal offers 2 options for claiming your protocol. You can claim a token generation event at TGE with your current allocation, or you can claim after 60 days, so you have a 60 days period vesting, which gives you 25% bonus. The link will be this one down below. You can go over to the ZK ecosystem, sign in, claim the token. We've seen this in the past. I am not eligible for this one, nor I was eligible for it in the first place. But if you are, let me know if you are eligible down in the comments below. Otherwise, just like me, you will not be eligible and it will just give you an error just as that. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Make sure to go and check yesterday's video. Yesterday's video was all about the free airdrop that you can go and get. I did put a lot of work into that. I got over 30 minutes, 21 airdrops, I believe it is, that you can go and earn yourself for free. So if you wish to go and support it, it would really mean a lot. Either you can find it up here as well as a card, or simply go through my page or through the one on the side over here. It was my longest video. I've done it on Christmas Day. I wanted to bring something special for you. It is 21 free airdrops you can go and grab from Google Chrome, from your browser, as well as from Telegram, a few different Telegram games, and all of them goodies. So if you did enjoy, if you want to go and support, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn the notification bell on, because some of these airdrops are quite time sensible. But with that said, enjoy your rest of the day. If you're still celebrating Christmas, potentially until tomorrow, enjoy the time with your family, enjoy everything that you've done, and let me know what gift you received down in the comments below. With that said, I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.